Alright everyone, it's time for a quick garden update. Quick because this phone is almost out of battery, and if you hear the neighbors' kids yelling, they're having some sort of party over there. I don't know, probably because the heat wave broke. You can see lots and lots of transplanting work done here. Various kinds of irises mostly. This roughly quarter of the garden has been planted. I also put the columbine in, and by the way, that did actually survive. It did take. It's not all flaccid. It's just that a lot of the leaves had gone by anyway, you know, for the end of the year. So it looks worse than it is. Over here, you can see lots and lots of little chamomile seedlings. I actually fertilized them when I watered them earlier. There are probably about 40 plants. And that's just one patch. I'll be doing another tomorrow. I can't remember exactly where it was. There are a few over here. There's like that one. It's quite large. That'll be transplanted. And then there are some that will come up here. I scattered the seeds all around in the middle. It's just that those ones got scattered more recently. You can see here. Jeez, the other dog barking and everything. Yeah, shut up. You're disturbing the peace. There's like 5 cinder blocks left here to fill in. And then that'll all be done. I mowed a little bit out here today. So it looks fairly nice. And then, look at this. This is the hugelkultur region. And the rhubarb, this one's a little bit flaccid, but I think the stem got damaged. This one's fine, that one's fine. Those are smaller, but they'll take. Today I did this patch. This was already hugelkultured and then filled in the end here. There's one little area here, but I gotta wait for the pumpkin to ripen. Probably another day or two, and that'll be nice and orange. I'll cut it off, rip the pumpkin out, because, you know, I won't do much more. And actually, one of my subscribers is gonna be sending a bunch of asparagus, supposedly. So I'm starting the process of clearing this area for roughly 12 plants. I've got to rip that out. That's going to be quite a time. I'm going to try to transplant the horseradish where the pumpkin is currently within a couple of days, because I'm just going to fill, since that already has wood in it, all I got to do is dump maybe 4 or 5 bags of the compost humus mix in, you know, mix it into the top layers, and then plant the horseradish, and it should be fine. Then I'm going to just get rid of the catnip. It grows everywhere every year. It's not like it's not going to come back up. And there is some chamomile in there in various spots. I took a lot of them out because there are so many. I actually don't have room for them. What I'm going to do here, you know, once this is done anyway, every other little hole in the cinder blocks will have a chamomile plant on the front end. And a lot of it, the rest will be little petunias, maybe some other little plants. Small stuff, you know, ageratum. You can definitely, marigolds do fine. You know, marigolds, though, they'll get huge if you let them. I've got huge marigolds over here. I'll show you that in closing. But just to show people, yeah, the garden is taking on its sort of final form. The old garden, anyway. Collard's still perfectly edible. I wish they would hold it down a little bit. Leave you with all this. Nice, nice marigolds. Lots of them. Now, pollinators like them, too. That's about all. Peace out.